Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome. If you're new, you can hit the bell and subscribe to my channel. Actually, you can subscribe and then hit the bell to be part of this growing family. And if you're a returning subscriber, thanks so much for the support and love, and thanks so much for being part of this family. And in today's video, I'm going to show you what I'll be packing for my hospital bag, or in my hospital bag actually. What I'll be packing in my hospital bag. Yes! Since I'm a first-time mom, I don't have experience packing a hospital bag and I didn't know what goes in there. So before packing, I made sure that I asked a few people who already have children, who already had experience being at the hospital for the delivery. And I also made sure to double check the website of our local hospital to get the list of necessary items that I will need. So let's start off what I'm packing for myself, okay? So first things first, you need something comfortable to wear while you're at the hospital. They told me that they're going to give me a hospital gown or delivery gown that you wear when you're delivering the baby, so you don't need, you could get a fancy gown if you want one, but I think I'm gonna be at that stage where I will not care what I'm wearing, and my primary focus would be to get the baby out. So I just got my pajama. So you need a comfortable pair of pajama. This is just a pajama that I have. It's, I believe, DKNY brand. So I'm gonna wear that. And the next, you need a comfortable slippers to wear while you're at the hospital, because you'll be walking around, going to the bathroom, going to the washroom, doing whatever. And the next thing that you need is a super comfortable nursing bra that's also super ugly, but in this case we're going over comfort than looks. So, but you're gonna need it. And the next thing, you need a few pairs of comfortable socks. So I got these comfortable socks. I'm only going to be at the hospital for 2 days, so I don't need much stuff. Yeah, you don't need much stuff, I think, I hope. And then you also need a few pair of underwear. I've heard that stay away from getting like cute and sexy looking underwear. Just get like granny looking underwear, because you're gonna throw them away after. They told me, I don't know. And the next thing you'll need is pads. So you need to buy super big giant pads. Some people wear they're like Pampers, but they're for older people. I forgot what they're called, but some people wear those, but I don't know. I'm gonna see. And also they're going to give me a few of these at the hospital, so I'll probably pack 5 or 6 of them with me. Okay, next one. You also need nursing pads. I have heard that they're very handy when you're breastfeeding. Apparently your milk comes out and it makes it messy, so you need to have nursing pads. And you need nice clothes when you're leaving the hospital. So I'm just packing my leggings. These are super comfortable, large sized leggings. I'm normally medium, so I got a larger size so that it's not tight, because I've heard that you need to get things that are super comfortable, that they're not squeezing your already aching belly, because apparently your belly is going to hurt a lot after you give birth. And I'm also going to be wearing my sweater dress so that I look cute and beautiful and put together when I'm leaving the hospital. I honestly don't want to make this video about, you know, looking cute, pretty, or beautiful. I don't want to define what beauty is, because it's different for everyone. For example, for me, I really like to wear things that make me feel comfortable and also confident. So it depends totally on you to wear what makes you comfortable. So next thing I'm going to pack with me is my Toiletries bags. Toiletry bag, whatever. It's fairly minimalistic, it's fairly simple. I'm not taking a ton of stuff like other people do. So all I'm taking is my face cleanser. It perfectly washes away my makeup. So if I went to the hospital with my, makeup on, I don't even put too much makeup. It's just a mascara and an eyeliner. So this is perfect to remove my makeup. And I'm also going to be taking with me my Garnier Clearly Brighter Anti-Dark Circle Eye Roller. It kind of has a tint into it, so it's not a concealer. And since I'll be at the hospital for like a day, I don't know how much sleep I'm going to have. I'll probably have no sleep. So this would be perfect for me to bring with me. The next thing I'm packing is my Maybelline Master Strobe Highlighting Liquid. It's just there, just to give me a natural, beautiful glow. I don't know if I'm going to have time to put it on, but we'll see. And the next thing I'm packing is my blush. It's a very multi-purpose blush from Smashbox. I can put it on my cheeks, my lips, and my eyelids. And I'm good to go, glowing, beautiful, things that I love. And also, I'm packing my lipstick. This is the lipstick that I'm wearing from Burt's Bees. It has a very natural, this pink or reddish color that complements your skin tone. So I'm just taking it and I can use it as a blush, as a lipstick, not as an eyeshadow. Too bad. I'm also taking my lip balm just to moisturize my lips because it's winter outside and I know that my lips are going to be dry, so I'm going to put it on. I'm also packing my mascara with me because when I put my mascara on, it kind of changes the look of my eyes. So it purely depends on you, on what type of makeup you're going to take with you. So if you feel comfortable with just tinted moisturizer, you're good to go. Just do it. But if you want to put on a little bit more makeup, a little bit more coverage, and you have time, yeah, go for it. Just pack it. For a skincare, I'm just taking my moisturizer. That's all I will need. One moisturizer, that's it. Floss, toothbrush, toothpaste. I don't think I want to wash my hair when I go to the hospital just because I wash my hair once a week. So I don't think I'm gonna need a shampoo and a conditioner because I will not wash my hair at the hospital. If I decide to wash my hair at the hospital, I would need to take my shampoo, conditioner, hair oil, and my hair straightener or something that gets rid of my frizzy hair. So that would be too many things to pack, so I'm just not gonna do that. Now for the baby. I love it. I actually cannot believe. So to pack my baby items, I'm just taking this tote from Body Shop. It works. I don't know how many diapers I'm going to take for the baby, but I'll probably take 6 to 7, and I know that they're going to give me diapers at the hospital as well, they told me. Some washcloth. I'll probably take 2 of these because apparently when babies eat food they burp, so I'm gonna need it to wipe off their burps, which is funny. I could use a tissue for it. Although I don't know, I never had experience. Can you wipe baby's burp with a tissue box? And apparently you need a few onesies, so like 3 to 4, because they eat, they burp, and they poop a lot during the first. I think always they burp a lot during the first year, I think. We'll see. I don't know. And then I have this one too. Super cute. And I also, just in case, took an outfit that my friend gave me for my baby shower. It's like a super cute newborn outfit. We'll see if I'll have the energy to put it on to my baby, but we'll see. And it comes with these beautiful socks. I love them. I honestly, these socks are my favorite from this entire outfit. They told me to take a diaper rush cream, so I just took this tiny little bottle of a diaper rush cream, but I don't think that they're gonna get a rush after 2 days of being born. But since I don't have experience, I don't know. I'm just gonna keep it with me. And also, I haven't bought receiving blanket yet. My mom is gonna bring me a few because she's flying from back home to support me. So she told me that she's gonna bring me receiving blankets, a few of them. You definitely need a receiving blanket. Oh, and also I forgot to mention that I'm going to be taking my pillow with me. First of all, my neck hurts if I slip on a different pillow other than this one. And also I'm going to use it as a breastfeeding pillow as well. So I'm just gonna like put it and then put the baby on so that my hands rest. Yeah, so multi-purpose 2-in-1 pillow. I don't think you really need a breastfeeding pillow because you can just use a regular pillow, and I have so many pillows in my house. And the next things that you'll need is a hat, mittens, and socks. Since it is a winter baby, I'll be getting 2 different blankets. This is like a thicker blanket, and then this is another thick blanket. I'm just gonna put this blanket with the car seat. You also need a car seat because apparently they're not gonna let you go if you don't have a car seat. So I have my car seat all ready because I got it for my baby shower. Yeah. That is actually it for my hospital bag, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's going to be helpful if you're giving birth like I am. I'm actually due in 2 weeks, I believe. If you like this video, make sure to give me a like and follow me on my Instagram because there's a whole new world of me out there doing other things, posting other things. So yeah, make sure you follow me on Instagram and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! To make sure what they need. I mean, what I need. I'm a first-time mom, so before Farah, focus!